So this is my bed for tonight. I will sleep here.
I have the whole road to myself in the middle. It's nice. So here we go. Plane is almost completely empty. Nobody is behind me. Hardly anybody are in any of these seats. It's really crazy. Salt Lake City to JFK, New York City. Here we go. Flight from New York City to Paris. Again, it's pretty empty. I have the whole road to myself in the middle. It's nice. So here we go. Okay, so after a super long flight, finally I am here in Belgrade, Serbia. So unfortunately Upinder did run into some issues. So because of the issues that Upinder had at the Dubai airport, he'll be coming a little bit later and meeting me here in Belgrade. But in the meantime, I get this entire apartment just to myself. It's been forever since I've just been alone and had some peace and quiet. But in the meantime, check out our apartment. Okay, so let's check out this box of goodies that the room owner sent us. So again, it's right here, full of stuff. So the first item is this. It's called Munchmallow. So I'm assuming it's a chocolate marshmallow. Let's open it. So it's dark chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite. I feel bad for eating this before Pender gets here. There's like a cookie on the bottom, and the dark chocolate is like perfect. Ooh, instant tomato soup. This is good because I didn't plan anything for dinner, especially dinner being alone on the first night, but it's okay. This is quick and free instant, I don't know, I think it's broth. It looks like it's vegetable broth. Jumbo popcorn. And next is stapisi. It looks like a snack, like maybe it's like pretzels or something. Smiley Paris. I think it's crackers, smiley face crackers. They're so cute. Lastly, this is original fresh baked peanuts. It looks like peanut puffs. A big bag of them. I'm so excited.
I did not check the fridge, but now I will. Oh, water, which is good. And she also gave us that water, which I'm drinking. So 2 waters, freezer, ice cubes. So here's like tea, coffee. I didn't look in those, but this is a bunch of creamers. And then down here's like sugar. But under the sink, I just noticed tons of teas, oils, like salt, basic cooking supplies down here, pepper.
My luggage was delayed. For some reason, it didn't make the flight from Paris to Belgrade, so they brought it to me a little bit later on in the day. And this is brand new luggage. This was the very first flight I had taken it on, and when I received it, it was totally damaged. The top was all dented, the handle was broken, and this wheel was completely ripped off. It was raining outside, so all of my luggage inside was soaked as well. To be honest, I was pretty disappointed with Delta and Air Serbia.
So I just ordered my first meal here in Serbia, and this is like the food delivery service, kind of like Uber Eats. These are French fries, a ton of them, a huge sandwich, and a Coke.
So this is my bed for tonight. I will sleep here. I'm gonna sleep here tonight. तो फाइनली सर्बिया में लैंड हो चुके हैं। अब चल रहे हैं कस्टम के लिए, अपना जो वीजा स्टैंप है उसके लिए। देखते हैं वहाँ पे क्या होता है, फिर आपको सारी जानकारी देते हैं।
We are both here together in Serbia. Be sure to stay tuned and come along on all of our adventures in Belgrade, Serbia. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. We'll see you guys in the next one.